Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing not one but two giveaways for my subscribers. Same rules. Before I mention the rules again for new viewers or new subscribers, let's pick a winner for last week's giveaway. Congratulations, Miriam. I will go ahead and message her right now to get all her goodies out as soon as possible. So this giveaway is for my subscribers. Please enter if you live within the United States. This is all free and the shipping is coming out of my pocket, and unfortunately shipping internationally is a little bit too high right now. So yeah, US subscribers only, please. Sometime during the video I'm gonna ask you a question and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. Okay, so I did mention there is two giveaways for this week. It's gonna be in a separate video. So this video, and then look out for the video after this one. The videos that says open giveaway. Those are the ones that you can enter right now. For this giveaway, this video, we have a stencil. This stencil came in a big sheet, like bigger than the A5 or A4 printing paper, and it's too big for shipping, so I did not want to damage it by folding, so I cut them out. Then there's a few images in one sheet, which we will be giving out to different giveaway videos. So we got this stencil and stamp set, and then we have a embossing folder. These are all duplicates that I have. And then a die, almost a hand size. This is a clock. You see right here. You can put those on top of it. And these can be removed. If you look close over here and here, see? But I suggest you not to break it out because it might leave like a little flickery metal piece, which can puncture a hole in your paper when you're cutting it out. It happened to me before, so not doing that again. Now I have a tool that cuts it out. So nice washis. We have a few washis. We have this cat one. This is kind of like a vintage looking one. When I ordered these, it came in bulk, so I have a few more of these to give away. You might have seen it in the previous videos. And then these came from a set. That set I gave away a couple of weeks ago. Let me see, just open one. So these come in their own color set. So the first little part is sticky, and then there's a sheet underneath. So all the things on here are matching the colors. Strawberries, avocado, and it's a plum. This one is green themed stuff. It'll be a surprise for you. And then let's see, we have more stamps, of course. Let's just see, quick look. This is 4 inches, and yeah, a little bit over 4 inches. I try to do just random things, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, just to make sure that whatever you receive, it's to your liking, and you have like an option to play around with what you got. Sentiments. This is pretty big. I think they're beautiful, big sentiments, perfect for card and perfect for heat embossing, which is something I prefer to do. Pandas. You can also do little faces. These are separate, and then you can put this one in the car and make it look like it's driving. Very cute. And then we have two more washis. These are flowers, so you can put them on the border. This came from a bigger set that I bought 3 boxes of. Yes, and then I'm just taking them apart. So that's more. Okay, and then we have dies. Let me show you this one. Oh, right here. Have to, sorry, have to rip it open. So this one is a bigger snowflake, about an inch, and this is a branch. What I love to do with this, or something like this, these are all duplicates. What I like to do with this is I cut this on a design paper. So let's say I don't have anything besides me except this. Bad example, but a paper like this, but maybe something like woody color, brownish, beige, and then if you cut it out, it will have little designs on it. Give it more depth. Okay, my question is, what is your favorite season of the year? Spring, summer, fall, or winter? See how simple that question is? You just answer down below, and then the YouTube random picker will pick out one of the comments. Very easy. 2 bigger stamps. These are the last ones for this giveaway, and this one is 4 inches. This one from that part, a tiny bit over 4 inches. This is beautiful for a card. Fairy door. Alright, that was it for this giveaway. If you want to get lucky, go and apply for the next giveaway, which should be up right now, or maybe the day after this goes live. But I'm gonna try to put them out on the same exact day, so you guys have a higher chance to win more stuff. And if you're a previous winner, feel free to re-enter. I wish everyone a good luck, and have a good rest of the day.